Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Nissan Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, cruise control, 4-wheel drive, premium sound system, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one-owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.